A topographical map is a detailed, large-scale map that represents both natural and human-made features on the Earth's surface. It shows features such as rivers, hills, valleys, roads, settlements, vegetation, and contours indicating elevation. These maps are typically drawn to scale and use symbols and color codes to convey different landscape features. Topographical maps are important tools in geography, engineering, land use planning, agriculture, military operations, and tourism because they provide accurate and detailed information about the terrain. Here are 10 characteristics of topographical maps. 1. Use of contour lines to show relief. Topographical maps use contour lines to represent the shape and elevation of the land. These lines connect points of equal height above sea level and show landforms such as hills, valleys, ridges, and depressions. 2. Presence of both natural and man-made features. They display a wide range of natural features, rivers, forests, mountains, and human-made features, roads, bridges, buildings, railways, making them comprehensive representations of the landscape. 3. Large-scale representation. Topographical maps are drawn to a large scale, commonly 1 to 50,000 or 1 to 25,000, which allows for the inclusion of detailed information about small areas, making them suitable for in-depth studies. 4. Use of conventional symbols. Features on topographical maps are represented using standardized conventional symbols and colors, such as blue for water bodies, green for vegetation, and black for buildings and roads. 5. Depiction of relief through multiple methods. Apart from contour lines, relief may also be shown using spot heights, trigonometrical stations, form lines, hatchers, and shading techniques to give a clear impression of the terrain. 6. Accurate measurement of distances and areas. Topographical maps are drawn to scale, enabling users to accurately measure distances and calculate areas using map scales and mathematical formulas. 7. Indication of grid references and coordinates. They contain a grid reference system, with vertical and horizontal grid lines marked with numbers to help users locate specific points using 4-figure or 6-figure grid references. 8. Use of marginal information. Every topographical map includes marginal information such as the map title, scale, legend, key, north arrow, sheet number, and sometimes the year of survey or publication. 9. Indication of drainage and water features. All forms of drainage including rivers, lakes, marshes, and dams are clearly represented, often using blue color and symbols that indicate the nature and direction of water flow. 10. Depiction of transportation networks. Topographical maps display various forms of transportation networks, such as roads, classified by type, railways, footpaths, and airstrips, which are essential for assessing accessibility and connectivity.